we're doing, online to manage the Nutanix environment, CVMs. We need to change the password so we don't get the error message. If you go back to the Nutanix portal, like the next tab, go back to the portal again. Map to yeah, there you go.
Here, right?
Yeah, click on the bell icon. We have a problem. The problem we have in the bell icon is that, actually not sure. See, it says here, if you expand that, it says the host is using default password. So if you have like the password is default, everything is default. So we don't want the default password.
Where is that?
Here.
Oh, okay.
A while back, but we need to change it. So we failed two things, and those are one of the things we failed.
Using default.
So if you go back to the PowerShell screen, type in SSH.
SSH.
Space Nutanix. Actually, sorry. Type in the. Actually, you're right. Nutanix. Dot.
Space or no space?
Dot 192.168.1.210. Hit enter. Hit yes. So what are you doing is you're connecting to the Nutanix CVM from the backend to manage things. So the password is gonna be Nutanix/4u.
That's the one you had previously.
Yeah, that one default one. Because that's what we need to change, the default one. So Nutanix. And you can't see what the password you're typing, by the way.
You erase?
You can erase, but you cannot see what you're typing. So you just have to hope that.
But the cursor is not moving when I'm typing.
It won't move either.
Okay.
That's the part of the security.
So
Nutanix/4u.
Enter.
Yeah. There you're in. You got in. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna change the password. Instead of that password, we're gonna change it. So we're gonna do sudo sudo. Sudo is just basically super admin.
Okay.
Yeah. Pass wd space Nutanix. Okay, hit it. Okay, I'm gonna have to type the password. So let's switch. No, keep it there.
You're gonna use that?
Oh yeah, actually, let's use it. I'm gonna type the password because this is the backend one. I need to know what it is to manage it. Okay, so we changed the password. I was getting a lot of mismatched password. So that's what we did is we changed the default Nutanix. So nobody's gonna be able to get into our system using the default password.
Which was the other one?
Which was
the previous one?
So now we do the same thing again. Scroll back down. Okay. Type in sudo wd.
No, sudo pass.
wd. So and then you're gonna do admin space admin. So what are you doing is this command is telling here super user change password for admin. That's what you're saying to it.
Okay.
So hit enter.
Sudo pass admin.
wd.
Okay.
Yeah. So hit enter, and this is where I need to type in the password. The new password.
The new one again?
Yeah, the new one.
I thought you put the new one on.
No, I did it for Nutanix account. Now I have to do it for the admin account. Okay. So you have to do it for everything.
So do you have to do it for my account after that? Or
No, this is only the backend one. Okay. What we're doing is all backend stuff, because Nutanix environment can manage from the backend. So I could change your password without having to go to the GUI. I could come in as a hacker and change whatever. Oh, this one's already used, so I already used that one. So I guess I did change that one.